Hey guys, it's Johnny with Cayenne Precision, and today we're back here to show you how to convert an Ezcad file into a file that can be used in Lightburn or other software. Basically, we're going to convert it into an SVG where it can be used in multiple places. Before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe button down below. We certainly appreciate it when you guys do that. So to get into this, full disclosure up front, I absolutely hate Ezcad. I think this is the most worthless program on the planet for laser engraving. Xtools XCS software is better than this in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. Everybody has one. I'm sure a lot of people will disagree because a lot of people use Ezcad, and that's perfectly fine. Um, for us, we're a member of a lot of groups for laser engravers where they share files and things like that, and a lot of guys create their files in Ezcad, so they share the .ezd files, and we have no way to open those up in Lightburn. So we had to figure out a way to convert those over where we can actually use them. As you'll notice, this is demo version. I don't even have my laser hooked up to this particular PC. I just have this software running for this video. I hate it. It's not something I use. But anyway, we're going to use it today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a file into Ezcad. So I went and downloaded just a quick .ezd file that I found on Facebook. It's called Lineman EZD, and we're going to open that up. And here is the file that we are looking at. So we'll go to Lightburn just to show you what I'm talking about. We go to Open, we go to our drive where that file is at, we go to all supported files. It's not even there. There is no way to use that. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to go over and grab another program in order to convert this into a file that we can use in Lightburn. It's a completely free program. It's very simple. You'll want to do this in either Chrome or Firefox, and I'll show you why you do not want to do it in Edge. That's where we're going to try it here. The program you're looking for is called Meerkat. You'll type in MEERK40T. Search results will come back. You should have GitHub as the #1 search result for Meerkat. So you'll just want to simply click on this, and then over here on the side scroll down to releases, and you'll want to download the latest release. So you'll just click on that, scroll down here, and you will want the meerkat.exe file. This is why right here you do not use Edge to do this. It's because it is downloading up here in the top, and then you will get the orange triangle and you will get all of this crap that is not necessary. If you go to Chrome and download this, it will just download the exe and it will be ready to go. So we will clear all of this off, and we will go back here where we had you open up your download directory wherever you downloaded this to, and you will see the meerkat.exe file. Simply double click on that. It will take it a second to load up, and then you will see this user interface here. Again, as far as a laser engraving program, I think this is absolutely useless. I'm sure some people will agree with me, and again, that's fine. That's their personal opinion. For me, we don't use any of the things on here except for two. We will use open and we will use save. We don't use this for anything else. So go up here to the top and click on open. Now we will go back to that exact same lineman.ezd file. Click on that and then click open. So here is the exact same file that you were seeing over here in Ezcad. It will open up the .ezd file formats. So we'll go back to Meerkat here, so we have all of the same things over here, and just simply click save. Choose your directory you want to save in, and now you will notice this is going to save the file type as Scalable Vector Graphic, or SVG. This is what you want to work in most programs such as Lightburn and whatever else you want to use. SVG is the way to go. So we're just going to type in our name here, and click Save. So now we have saved that as an SVG. We can now open up Lightburn. So now we go over here, we click on Open, we navigate to the directory where it is at. You will see no items match your search until you change the drop down menu down here below. So click on the drop down menu and you have 4 choices: Lightburn files, all supported files, image files, or vector files. For me, it's quicker and easier just to click on all supported files. And now you will see your lineman.svg that we just saved show up. Click on that, click Open, and there we have it. So now we have the exact same file that you are seeing in Ezcad, except it is over here in a much better program, in my opinion. So then you can manipulate this however you want to. You can go in here, you can click Ungroup, say you just want this section over here by itself, so you can group this, move it over here, and then you can go back over here to this guy, group him, move him down here, or you can completely ungroup and start modifying the image however you would like. So that's it, guys. It's a very, very simple little process. It's quick, it's simple, and it's free. So if you're in file sharing groups and things like that where you're seeing a bunch of .ezd files showing up, just go over there. Like I said, you want to go to, just type it into Google, Meerkat, MEERK 40T. Type that in. Your first result is going to be GitHub. If it's not, look for GitHub. This is where you want to get it from. Click on that, download it. Do not use Edge as I showed you. And then you can take your Ezcad files right into Meerkat, save as an SVG, and then you can bring them right into Lightburn. You can also open them up in anything else you want to that supports an SVG. You can even open them up, we use Inkscape a lot. You can open it up in Inkscape, do whatever you need to do over there, modify, save, all of that good stuff, and then bring it into your laser program when you wish. So anyway, I think it about wraps it up for that one. Like I said, I don't use this program. This program probably has a lot of features. It may be a total piece of crap, or it may be action-packed with stuff that you guys want to use. I don't know. The only reason that I'm using this is I need to go from Ezcad to Lightburn, and this was the quickest, simplest, cheapest way to do it. I mean, you can't beat free, and you just saw how fast it was. So I highly recommend it for that, but I don't know that I would recommend it for anything else because I don't explore this program because we have Lightburn. So anyway, guys, that about wraps it up for this one. We'll be back for some more in the future. Tips and tricks as I learned the hard way. I'll share them with you guys, so maybe it'll save you some time. Before you leave, please hit the like and subscribe button down below. We certainly appreciate it when you guys do that, and we'll see you in the next one.